Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now there have been questions about how to restream properly or how can even start restream. Not use a copyright content. Also, please make sure you edit very well in the CapCut app. Alright, go to your Google Chrome, type in Restream, and you see something like this. It will ask you to input your Gmail, and also you click on get started. Now you see something rolling like this. Something will be rolling like this. Now click on studio, then click on new studio again. Click on new today. You see the thing will be rolling, be writing joining studio. So you wait for it to roll or to upload. Then you see an interface like this. Mine is like this because I've been using it. So but if you're new, you have to set it up. And these things, welcome, demo, all this demo will be there. Then click on these three dots you're seeing. Click on it. Then it will take you to video. Choose a video you want to use. Choose a video. Click on upload video. It will take you directly to your files, where you have your files of the video you want to use. Now click on that video you want to use, and the video will start rolling, uploading. If it did not roll immediately, wait for it to upload. So you start seeing it. After sometimes it will say uploading. So it will upload, it will analyze it, and it will process it. So everything, you wait for it to load. Then you see something like this. Mine has finished rolling. So you click on it. Click on that particular video you've chosen. So it will take you back to the studio where you're coming from. So when it has taken you back, you click on that video. Then you see something like, you can see my own face, but this, then choose horizontal, not vertical, please. Choose horizontal. Then you see your message icon. You see, click on that video itself. Click on the video itself. You see loop. Now click on loop. This enables the video to, yes, loop. Those three dots at the up side. Click on that. Now this loop enables the video to uh, play over and over again, even for 11 hours. It will enable it to, yes, that's the loop. Now after that, put on other settings. Then you wait. Click on go live. Click on go live. Now after you've done all the settings, wait, then click on go. Please do well to subscribe to my channel to know when I will drop my next video. God bless.